Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collect 5 Comet Shards to complete the Comet Samples quest in Fishing Game of Roblox Cosmic Collision Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to this island, the Planetary Observatory, and then you're going to find the Meteorologist NPC. Okay, you can go this way and find this NPC, DMC Meteorologist, and then you're going to take the Comet Samples quest. And then you need to find the Comet Shards, and then I'm going to show you guys where you can find all the Comet Shards. Okay, the first one, you can find it under this stairs right here. Okay, this is the Comet Shard. You can pick it up. I'm going to pick it up. Done. And then go to this way. And you will find the next Comet Shard right here. This is the second location. Then we're going to move to the third location. Okay, this one. And next, we're going to find the fourth location. I'm still exploring it. Okay, got it. Now we're gonna find the lost comet shard. You can go to this way and pick it up. Okay, finally I could find all of the comet shards, and then now it's time to claim the reward. We're going to go back to the meteorologist and claim the reward, and the reward will be an emoji. Okay, I got the clipboard. Okay guys, and that's how we can find all the comet shards in Fishing Game of Roblox Cosmic Collision Update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!